Hi, my name is Aurelia and I'm part of the data security team. And together with Alina from Analytics Specialist team, we'll introduce the various features and functionalities of Oracle Data Redaction. We'll configure a set of redaction transformation and conditional redaction and extend them to multiple columns in Oracle Analytics Cloud. First, let's view the data before we redact it. Let's log in as the SQL PL user. Let's enter the password. Perfect. Let's query our data and see how it looks like. The data is in plain text for column social security number, phone number, and credit card number. Now, Alina, let's have a look on analytics and show us what are your requirements.
Thanks, Aurelia. So you see, I have this dashboard of customers' lifetime value, which works just fine. But on the report side, I see the columns in plain text, as you mentioned, the SSN, phone number, and credit card number. We have some data reduction features, but you have a broader set and you might want to redact them directly in the database.
Now let's go back to the terminal and create a redaction policy called data protection. We have to log in as an admin. Let's type in the password. Okay, now we are logged in SQL. Let's begin. As you can see, we have added the object schema, the object name, the policy name, and the expression 1 equals 1. Okay, let's run. The data protection policy has been successfully added. Now we are going to alter the policy and we are going to redact the data on column social security number from insurance customers table for all queries in every context. Yeah, let's do so. As you can see, the DBMS redact alter policy procedure, this syntax can be used to alter all types of data redaction policies. Okay, so let's run this policy. Procedure successfully completed. The next column that we will like to redact, it will be phone number, and we are going to use the random function. Let's do so. So we have added the random function. Let's run it. Now we would like to redact another column called credit card, and we are going to use the credit card format. Let's do so. Okay, so we have added the function type, which is going to redact partial, and we added the function parameters. Okay, let's run. It was successfully completed. Now let's query to see the redacted data. Let's exit the SQL and log in as PL user. Okay, let's enter the password. Perfect. Let's select our columns. Let's run. Okay, so now that the social security number column has been fully redacted, the phone number column has been randomized, and the data from the column credit card number is redacted by replacing everything but the last 4 digits. Yeah. Now let's modify the data redaction policy to only redact for analytics and not for other access. And to do so, we need to add an expression. Let's begin. Let's exit and log in as an admin. Let's enter the password. Okay, so we have altered the policy and we have added our expression. Previously, the existing clause was 1 equals 1, saying to redact for every user, but in this situation, with the sys context value, I have added the module of the PL user to the expression to redact the data only from Oracle Analytics, but in SQL, you can see the data in plain text. Let's run. The procedure successfully completed. Now let's exit and let's log in as the PL user and check our data. Let's enter our password. Let's select our columns. Okay, so as you can see now, the data looks in plain text. But now let's check in analytics. Alina?
Yes, Aurelia. So if I'm coming back on the report canvas, I can see that the data is now redacted. So I'm looking at SSN, phone number, credit card number. I don't have sensitive data anymore, so I can safely share my report with my stakeholders. Thank you so much for your effort, Aurelia.
Thank you, Alina. Again, once enabled, the data redaction policy is applied immediately, and there is no need to restart anything. Thank you so much for watching.